whenever you go into your contacts list and we look at the different names and stuff, the icons here have been changed to outlines instead of solids as well. But if you click on the little menu, the hamburger menu, we talked about this last week, where we started adding the icons so that they are better. Actually, that one's not outlined. Are better, easier for you to see. One of the things that we've done is whenever you do the multi-select option here, all these different options that are available, we have added the export option to both properties and contacts. So if you're going to do any kind of like mail outs through some third party something and they want a CSV file, previously you would have had to export to Excel, then you would have to create the CSV from the Excel file. That was a pain. So now you can just come in here, select all the records, choose, or whichever ones you want, come in and then choose export to CSV. What it will do is it will export any of the columns that are shown. So if I choose export to CSV, it takes that, it'll let you choose what name that you want to send it to. I'm just going to say downloads and hit save, replace, yeah. So SAM contacts. And if I was to open that up, then it'll open it up in a spreadsheet or something. Actually, you may not be able to see that because I only did the one tap. It'll bring it up into a CSV file and you'll be able to see it.